you know, Mustang means a lot to me. I'll never let Mustang go. It will always be part of Ford as long as I'm part of Ford. And so we work very hard to keep it fresh and keep it relevant. And so, you know, I think you've seen that tonight with what Vaughn's doing, but also the fact that we took Mustang out to Germany and got the sub 7-minute time, which was fantastic. I mean, we're just going to keep pushing the envelope on Mustang for as long as we can, and there's really no limit to it.
How do you balance not watering down the brand versus, you know, having new offerings?
Well, I think we've done a really good job of that. I think because every product we have is really true to the brand. You know, the Mach-E is a rocket ship, and it's really fun to drive. And I think that was the one that people were really questioning, saying, you know, is this a Mustang? And the answer is, once you get people in it, is a resounding yes.
Do you see a particular limit? Could we see a 4-door? Could we see, you know?
Well, I think you know, there's all kinds of possibilities, and I'm not going to tip where we're going next, but I think whatever we do will be true to the brand because it has to be. All right.